Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. Today, we're just going to look over some of the currency pairs and some of the action that's been going on so far today. We haven't had any key data or news so far, but we've seen a very positive day from risk to the USD and Japanese yen. We've also seen some good gains on stock indices across the Asian and local Australian markets, including New Zealand. So, despite new record cases of coronavirus in parts of America, namely Florida, we are seeing risk markets continue to move higher, and the main moves have been, currency-wise, have been from the Euro, AUD, Great Britain pound against the yen and the USD. We're looking at the Aussie dollar right now. We saw that level this morning. There's a bit of a previous high, new support there. We're just looking from 69.45. We're looking for that to remain as support. We are seeing a little bit of resistance coming in now from 69.80. If buyers are able to break this point, we'll be looking for a continuation on with the possibility of a new test of 70 to 70.25. Now, the euro has been quite strong today so far. At the moment, it's got a 0.25% gain. We are looking at the market now testing this resistance point that went not only onto last week, but that goes back to May. Buyers really need to break this level here, and has been resistance for a fair period of time now. We have seen a nice spinner reversal down here. Now that did set up support, and we're seeing that follow through rally today. But it's really now we want to see the next step from buyers, that's to break that level. But buyers do face a lot of demand, really all the way up to 1370, all the way down to the current point, around the current point at 1337. So that's going to be interesting to see if momentum can finally break through that point, and that's been really holding up since the 15th of June. So the pound has had like the euro's had a strong day. We're seeing it testing some highs. The resistance isn't as well set and pronounced as on the euro, but we have seen buyers being knocked back twice at this point before, so we'd really like to see buyers break above that level just to show that momentum is going to continue on. So just finally, we'll go over to the yen. We'll just touch on the dollar CAD. The dollar CAD is starting to threaten to put up a continuation. Price is still really remains contained in this range pattern, but we are starting to see the MAs now starting to point down, and that new lower high set up on Friday, so that's another lower high after today's failed rally. And the next step will be to see if sellers can return down to this level of support, and if they're able to break it. So the Williams is getting close to crossing the negative 50, but for now, we will just see if we get a move lower to close tonight, and then we'll see if we do have a new continuation tomorrow. So target one on the dollar CAD really is this support area around the 34 to 35 point, and then if we do get a move back there and momentum still continues strongly for risk, then it'll be really up to sellers to see if they can break that level. And the next level that we could see tested if sellers do really get momentum shifted their way and get going is possibly around that 33.73-75 point. So, but first steps first, they do need to confirm and break out of this range. Now over on the yen pairs, we're just seeing, like we've seen against the dollar so far, we're seeing moves starting to set up. We could be seeing the early formation here of a continuation on the Aussie yen, but we do need to see this bar not only close higher, but we'd like to see it close above Friday's opening point, and then we'll be looking for tomorrow to sort of confirm that with a new move up, and that will be the next test for buyers, the resistance from 74.87. And just going to the euro yen, very similar picture. We have resistance up at 121.38 to 40. That will be the test for buyers if they're able to continue the short-term momentum. And support at the moment we're seeing is at 120.80 to 120.81. Now just going on to the pound yen. Again, another similar story. We have short-term support really from 134.88. We are starting to break through this resistance here at 135 to 30.35, and would just like to see buyers close above this level here just to show momentum strong. Now this was really the kickoff here on Friday. We just see that really nice fight back after a test lower that failed, and we'd just like to see that momentum carry forward with a decent close today just to signify and show that buyers traders are in control. Now, just finally, we're going to end on gold. Now, gold had 2 days down to end the week last week. So far, starting this week, we're seeing really solid performance at this stage in the day. So we're seeing a rally continuing. It's now 0.65% higher. We do want to see how buyers react once they get back to this short-term resistance at 1808. Close to 1809, and we see a little bit of supply all the way up to last week's high at 1818. So support for now does continue from 1795.60. So while that level holds and we are seeing a nice touch of buying, we'd like to see if buyers can push through that resistance and possibly get up there and test last week's high and maybe beat it. So that's it for now. We don't have any key news coming out tonight's London session, which is about to get underway, but we do have a speaker from the Bank of England at 1:30 a.m. Tuesday morning. That's tomorrow morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time. So that's all we've got for now. Enjoy the rest of your trading day, and till tomorrow, bye for now, and thanks for watching and listening. Bye.